How to contact Facebook customer support. If any day you would like to contact with your Facebook customer support and you need the easiest way to do that, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on Facebook for a while and this way your Facebook will be launched. Now you have to go to the profile section on the top. After that, you have to scroll down and you have to see the option of help and support. Now you have to tap on the option of help and support. Now you see the options of help center, support inbox, report a problem and terms and policies. Now you have to tap on the option of report a problem. After you tap on the problem of report a problem, you see the options like this. Now you have to go to the option of OK, but before that, if the shake phone to report a problem is enabled, you have to unenable it and you have to turn it off. After turning it off, you have to go to the option of OK, and when you tap on OK, again you have to go to the option of report a problem and go to the option of report a problem out there. And after you tap on report a problem, now you will wait for a while and you will see an interface like this. After waiting for a while, you will see the interface where you'll be able to send the report to the very customer care regarding the various kind of things or the various kind of problems that you are facing on your very Facebook. After that, you see a screen like this. Now you have to tap on the option of include. After going to the option of include, now you can very tap on the problem that you are facing. It may be on the events, feed, friend request, games or apps, gaming, groups, huddle, anything that you want. So I tapped on data modes. After tapping on data modes, now you have to describe the issue or exactly what kind of problem you faced, and you also need to attach the very evidence of the screenshot and the picture of the very evidence you are facing or the very problem you are facing, and you have to tap on the upload from phone and you have to send this to the very customer care support, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.